Now I'll show you how to create a project from templates. To create a project from a template, you need to first come in the Canva dashboard. So this is my Canva dashboard, and click in the template section, or you can click here in the template section. Both are the same thing. And here you need to type or search Facebook cover image and click the search button. And here you will find a lot of templates available for you. You can start creating your design from any of the templates. One thing you should remember, that some of the templates has crown mark. When you see this, it means this template is only available for a Canva Pro user. So in this case, this one is crown mark. That means both of the templates are available for the Pro user. You shouldn't use this type of templates with crown mark in your free account. You always should use without crown mark templates. So this template is without crown mark. We can use it. So click here and click customize this template and wait. Now this is the template. You can just replace the elements of this design and make this design suitable for you. Or you can click here in the add page, and now you can start creating your design from the scratch. So this way you can create a project from a template.